I am David Erickson, and this is pro tip number. According to LinkedIn, users who have a photo on their profile receive far more engagement, 21% more profile views, and 9% more connection requests than users who have not uploaded a photo to their profile. So let's take a look at how that plays out on the platform itself. Right here, I've got a search for digital marketing manager. Now, this could be a recruiter looking to fill a client's job opening. It could be somebody within a company looking to hire a freelancer to supplement their efforts. Regardless, it's somebody looking for talent. And as you scroll through the results, the one thing that stands out is the profiles that do not have a photo attached to them, and it's not standing out positively by comparison, right? So that's one aspect in which the not having a photo plays out on the platform itself. Another aspect is in the people you should know function of LinkedIn. And for me here, it's listing several people that I should know and might want to connect with. And obviously the ones with the default image for the profile photo stand out, and by comparison they don't look as good, right? So that's another aspect. And then finally, in messaging itself. So this is a message where I've invited someone to join my LinkedIn network. She did accept, but I get a lot of requests for people wanting to connect on LinkedIn, and some people don't have a profile photo, and I'm far more likely to decline those invites than if they had a photo. It just seems dodgy. Doesn't seem, what are you hiding? Why don't you have a photo? So that's kind of the psychology behind having a photo and how people react to profiles that do not have a photo. Here's my profile. I have a photo, solid background to kind of make it stand out. There are best practices that say you should be looking into the camera for your profile photo. Obviously, I'm not. There's a specific reason I've done it that way, but I'm not going to share it with you now. I will save that for the next pro tip. And there you go. Why you should have photos on your profile. Definitely have one, upload one if you do not.